Okay, let's take a look at how we can get to the right place to insert your initial post and your replies to other students. Here is the David Demo student, and he is listed in a course at Cambridge College in Boston, and he's also listed in a course at Shannon, your course. So in your homepage, you only have one course. That's the issues 2020-2021. And in the center, you see all the newest additions to all your courses. Now, I would see additions from 2 courses. You would only see additions from 1 course. This is what has been causing some people to get confused between their home page and the class page. I'm going to click on our class, and you can see at the top of the class it says Issues 2020-2021. So that means we are on the class page, and the small groups, well, David is in a group, but your group would be down here, and you would click on your group. But here is the current assignment for lesson 5, and here's the text. And here, by the way, are some links, and thank you very much, Metal, for giving me this additional link. And well, Tamara has already posted her initial post, and right at the bottom, do you see this blue line? Do you see the blue box? You have to put your initial post and your reply inside the blue box. That will put it into the ongoing discussion. If you put it outside the blue box, it will not be included in the discussion, and your opinions will probably not get read, and I might miss them for grading. So please, please, please put your comments, your initial post right here where it says write a comment, which is at the very bottom of the blue box of the assignment. So you would write, I'm writing a comment. Okay, I would copy and paste the content of my work and put it right here. Later on I will erase this, but I just want to show you. And then I click on comment. Okay, and here is my comment, which is the initial post. Here is Tamara's full initial post. Now I have to go and I read all the initial posts, and I decide that I want to comment, I want to reply. If I am the first person to reply to a particular first initial post, then I have to click on reply right here or right here. So I'll click on this because I'm going to erase it. And here you can see a input box has opened up, an input field has opened up. It says write a reply. Okay, I think that you are wrong because X, Y, and Z. Okay, and be polite. You can contradict. You can comment on people and say that they're wrong, but be polite. And I'm going to click on reply. And so here, inside the blue box of the assignment, you have David Demo's initial post and a reply to David Demo. Now you can see that because David Demo already has a reply, the first reply, the second and subsequent replies already have a input field waiting for you to write in, and right next to it you should see your avatar right next to it. So that's the way you post your initial and your reply to someone else's initial post.